everyone's favorite 5 minutes of fun. It's the Lil Sam Cat. Sneeze, Louise. My eyesight's going bad. Yeah, that's better. Show!
My lady.
What are you waiting for? Put me down already.
With pleasure.
Stupid, unlovable reptile.
We've got an awesome show today.
Yeah. All our shows are awesome.
But this one's doubly great, because it's all about twinsies! Sam's twin Melanie, to be precise.
It's so cool that Sam has a twin on the show because I am, in fact, a quadruplet.
Psh, you are not.
Am too. Come on in, Lil Sams. Hey there. How you doing? What's happening?
I don't believe my eyes.
Hey, my spectacles!
Well, bless my nuggets. It's true.
Of course it's true. I would never pay 3 Lil Sam impersonators to come on our show just to trick you.
Well, that's good to know.
Now watch this. Now guess which one of us is the real Lil Sam. Whoa, her head exploded. Yeah, it always does. For a brand new How We Did It. All about...
Hey! You promised me you'd behave.
Lil Cat, you invited those terrible toddlers back on the show?
I did. I like the smell of babies.
But these are evil babies.
They still smell good. Oh yeah, that's good, baby.
I'd take care of this, but I promised I'd never punch a baby again.
I have an idea. I'll sing them a lullaby. That'll put them to sleep. Rock-a-bye toddlers in the treetops. When the bell breaks, the cradle.
Man, I hate children.
What's up, guys? I'm Jennette McCurdy, fresh out of the shower, looking good. First off, my stunt double, JC. Yay, round of applause. I'm trusting you're doing it. This stunt is gonna be awesome! Regular glass is super dangerous to run through. Don't do it at home, kids. So we got really safe candy glass, but I'm still too scared to do my own stunts. So JC's doing them instead. That's her voice.
Take one, all cameras.
Let's find out which fan made it into the show this week.
This week's fan is...
Me!
No, not you.
Oh, I'm such a loser.
Yeah, you kinda are.
This is the part where you tell me I'm not a loser.
Anyway, here's this week's #1 fan.
It's time for that time of week. Dun, 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 dun. Thank you for the dramatic music. I was just going to ask you, but you gave it to me before I could ask. Time for the fan of the week. More music, please. The fan of the week is Bella from Lathrop Village, Michigan.
And I'm out of here.
You can't leave yet.
But I gotta go. I got a thing.
You're not gonna want to miss this. Trust me.
Tapioca pudding.
I'll never trust you again.
Your steed, madame.
Yay! Where's my ride? Hey!
You're welcome.